We will see how we can download and install Eclipse IDE in Windows 10 operating system for Java development. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to open up any browser. I have Google Chrome, so I'm going to open it up. And here in Google, we will search for Eclipse IDE. And the first link is from eclipse.org. And it is the official website, so we're gonna click on this first link. Eclipse is a famous Java IDE, but it has now support for other languages like JavaScript, PHP, C, C++, etc. Now we are in the official website. What we do is we will click on this download button. And here what we have to do is we have to download this installer and we have to run this installer, and in that phase we can select the packages that we want to install. So here we're gonna click on this Get Eclipse IDE 2023. So it is the latest one, so we're gonna click on this download 64-bit. If you click on this download packages, then you can select the packages, but what we do is we will download this installer. So we're gonna download it. Now it will take us to this page, and here we can click on this download button and the download has begun. So let's wait for this download to finish. Okay, now the download has been finished. We will click on this show in folder button and it will open up the folder where we have saved our download. Mine is in this downloads folder. So here you guys can see Eclipse installer, Windows 64-bit. We're gonna double click on this to run this installer. Okay, now you guys can see we have the Eclipse installer running and we can select the packages that we want to install. So you guys can see we have the Eclipse IDE for Java developers, or if you want it for C, C++ development, then you can install this. And similarly, if you scroll down, then you can see a lot of packages that you can install. So here we will install the Eclipse IDE for Java developers. I'm gonna click on this, and here you guys can see it will show the path where we have installed the JDK that has been listed here. And then you guys can see the installation folder, that is the folder where this Eclipse IDE will be installed. I'm not going to change any of this. If you want, you can change the folder where you want to install the Eclipse IDE, but don't try to change the folder where you have installed JDK. If you know what you're doing, then you can do it. Otherwise, don't click on that. And after that, here, I do want the start menu entry and I want a desktop shortcut. So I'm going to keep these two checkboxes on, and then I'm going to click on this install button. And here we need to accept the license agreement. So click on the accept now button. Now it is downloading the package and installing. Depending on your internet speed, it will take some time. So wait for it patiently. If you get a feeling that your installation is stuck, then just bring your cursor to the progress bar. It will show the file that is downloading and installing currently. Okay, now the installation has finished. I'm going to click on this launch button and I'm going to launch the Eclipse IDE. And also you can click on this back button and you can go back and select the other packages if you want and install them. So I'm going to launch the Eclipse IDE. Here it has selected a workspace. If you want, you can change it. I'm not going to change it. And I'm going to click on this launch button. And here we have the Eclipse IDE. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you want to say something, then write that in the comment box. For more tutorials like this, do subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later in the next video.